Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with chapter 2 of unit 3, that is the integumentary system and its interactions with the other organ systems of the human body, and the course name is systems of the human body and their functions. Now today we are going to do the last part of the this unit, that is the last part of this unit and chapter 2, which is how integumentary system interacts with the immune system. Okay, so for that, we need to switch to the next slide. So let's go to the next slide to discuss the same. Now, what is the function of integumentary system? See, the skin is the largest organ of the body. Okay, it covers your entire body, right? And it's the part of integumentary system. It includes, and its functions, it has a variety of functions, which includes waterproofing, cushioning. Okay, cushioning means, in between the skin and tissues you find a layer of fat which protects them, so it's like kind of cushioning, and it protects the deeper tissues. If skin would have not been there, then deeper tissues would have not been protected, right? It also excretes waste. Here, when it comes to excreting waste, what they have quoted out here, they are trying to tell us that the skin is the like secondary excretory organ, and we release extra urea and then sodium chloride via sweat, right? And sweating is also the way by which body maintains homeostasis, because most of the metabolic enzymes, or you can say most of the enzymes which are there inside our body, they work at a particular temperature, and if the temperature goes up or down, okay, if it is not optimum, then the activity of the enzymes will cease and we won't be able to survive, right? So that's why during summers temperature is quite high, right? And in order to get the temperature back to normal, so that like enzymes can work well, we sweat like anything, right? So this regulates the body temperature. Now when it comes to the immune system, if we talk about its function in simple language, I would say that it protects our body against germs, infections. Okay, simple definition. Now the immune system, it's made up of non-specialized defenses such as skin. Okay, so skin forms the body's first line of defense, and acidic juice. If you can recall, in the stomach you have HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Okay, it is produced by the stomach, and if any bacteria that might have reached your stomach, okay, after defeating the other lines of defense, okay, so it is being killed by HCl, which is there inside your stomach. Also, if you can recall, we have studied, okay, in our like junior classes, that even nose, it has got hairs and it filters the air, right? So it also forms that is also the part of immune system, you can say. Now another name for this resistance is immunity. Okay, if you are not having a powerful immunity, you'll get infections again and again, you will get ill again and again. Okay, these defenses are special white blood cells called lymphocytes. So when it comes to lymphocytes, they produce antibodies which kill bacteria, and other types of white blood cells are also there, which are known as phagocytes. Okay, they eat up the bacteria, they go to the site of infection and they just engulf bacteria, and for engulfing bacteria they have a particular adaptation, that is, they can change shape. And even for lymphocytes, they need to reach at the site of infection immediately, so they too they are very flexible, and they too can change their shape. This is the adaptation. Every cell has the adaptation based on their function. So these are the adaptations of phagocytes and lymphocytes, okay, to meet out with their responsibilities properly so that they can function well. Skin is an important part of the immune system, right? It acts as a primary boundary between germs and your body. If skin would have not enclosed your body tissues, what would have happened? Germs would have attacked your body, and the vital internal organs of the body wouldn't be safe if the skin is not there. Also, skin is tough and generally impermeable to bacteria and virus. The epidermis contains special cells called Langerhans cells that mixed in with the melanocytes in the basal layer, that are the important early warning components of the immune system. So if you can recall, our skin is divided into two layers, that is epidermis and dermis. Dermis will have glands, that is the sweat glands and the sebaceous gland, but epidermis have the special cells, that is the Langerhans cells, and they are mixed with melanocytes, and they are like very important when it comes to early warning component in the immune system. One more thing I would like to quote out here: there is a pigment in our skin with the name melanin. It imparts your skin color. It imparts in skin color. Okay, and if you have too much melanin in your skin will be darker, and as it gets lighter, the skin, you have less melanin. For having a lighter skin, you need to have less melanin. So thank you so much.